In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relations in Notion. Relations let you connect items from one database to items in another, so you can pull context together without duplicating information. Think of it as creating a bridge. Tasks can point to their projects. Meetings can point to related documents. And content ideas can point to the people responsible. Once a relation is in place, you can move smoothly between connected records and keep everything aligned. Start by opening the database where you want the relation to live. This could be a table of tasks, a list of clients, or any database you use regularly. Make sure you're viewing it in a way that shows the property columns, such as a table view, so it's easy to add the new property. Next, add a new property. Click the plus button at the far right of your existing properties to create a new column. You'll see a name field for the property and a selector for its type. This is where you tell Notion what kind of data the column will store. From the property type options, choose Relation. Selecting Relation tells Notion that this property won't hold plain text or dates. It will link to records stored in another database. This sets up the structure for cross-referencing information, which is the foundation of dynamic dashboards and rollups. Now, choose the database you want to connect to. Notion will show a searchable list of databases available in your workspace. Pick the one that contains the items you want to link. If you keep your workspace organized with clear database names, finding the right one will be quick and straightforward. With the relation property created, start linking entries. Click into a cell in the New Relation column for a specific row, then select the related entries from the connected database. You can type to search, then choose the exact records you want to associate. For example, on a task row, select the project it belongs to. On a content idea, select the relevant campaign. You can link one or multiple records, depending on how your data is structured. At any time, open a linked record to view connected information across both databases. Clicking a linked item takes you directly to that record's page, where you can see all its details and navigate back to the original context. This makes it easy to audit relationships, confirm ownership, and verify timelines without switching tools or copying data. That's the core workflow. Open your database, add a relation property, connect it to another database, link entries, and use those links to move effortlessly between related information. With this in place, your Notion workspace becomes more connected, more searchable, and far easier to maintain.